Advocate Gursevak Singh welcomes you. Friends, let's talk about the criminal justice system in India. The criminal justice system in India is the mechanism through which the state enforces criminal laws and delivers punishment to offenders. The system comprises multiple agencies, including the police, judiciary, prosecution, and correctional services. The system has been subject to numerous criticisms due to issues such as inefficiency, corruption, and human rights violations. This article aims to provide an overview of the Indian criminal justice system and analyze its strengths and shortcomings. Overview of the criminal justice system. The criminal justice system in India operates under the Indian Penal Code, which is a comprehensive law that defines criminal offences and their penalties. The criminal justice process involves three stages: investigation, trial, and sentencing. At the initial stage, the police investigate the crime and file a report. The prosecution then reviews the report and decides whether to file charges against the accused. The accused is then put on trial, and if convicted, sentenced to punishment. Strengths of the criminal justice system. One of the principal strengths of the Indian criminal justice system is its adherence to the principles of natural justice. The right to a fair trial is guaranteed under the Constitution of India, and the court ensures that the accused receives a fair hearing. Additionally, the court system of India is independent, and judges are not subject to any political pressure or influence. This independence ensures that the judiciary operates impartially without prejudice or bias. Another significant advantage is the separation of powers between the judiciary, executive, and legislature. This system ensures that each branch of government performs its function independently without interference from the others. Hence, there is a clear demarcation of the roles and functions of the different branches, thereby guaranteeing a checks and balances system that keeps excesses in check. Shortcomings of the criminal justice system. Despite its strengths, the Indian criminal justice system has several shortcomings. One major problem is the lack of adequate resources, which affects the ability of the police to investigate crimes effectively. Additionally, the adversarial relationship between the police and the public often results in a lack of trust, leading to the underreporting of crimes. Another significant issue is the slow pace of the justice delivery system. Long delays in trials and appeals are commonplace, and this often results in the denial of justice, particularly for the less privileged members of society. Moreover, the over-reliance on pretrial detention is a serious concern, with numerous reports documenting instances of arbitrary detention, ill-treatment, torture, and custodial deaths. Conclusion. The Indian criminal justice system has come under immense criticism due to its shortcomings. Nevertheless, it has numerous strengths that make it a reliable institution in its fight against crime. Improving the system's efficiency requires addressing the problems of inadequate resources, delays, and the over-reliance on pretrial detention. The government could also implement reforms aimed at enhancing the transparency and accountability of the justice system, strengthen the police-public relationship, and bring about an alignment of the justice system with fundamental human rights principles. By so doing, India can take important steps towards ensuring that their criminal justice system is efficient, responsive, and just. Many thanks for watching YouTube channel Sevak Sehal.